everyone, Amanda here. I'm just going to pick a winner for my 40,000 subscribers giveaway, and there's been quite a number of weeks between announcing it and picking a winner. I've had quite a poorly dog, and so there's been I've had things to sort out at home, and I've not been doing very much YouTube, but here we are anyway, and I am going to be doing another giveaway next month because it's my birthday month. So watch out for that. Make sure you are subscribed. So I've added the video link and clicked the appropriate bits and bobs. Let's scroll down and see whose name comes up. There we go. Right, start. And we've got Carolyn Freeman. So there you go, you are my winner. So Carolyn, if you're in the UK, it's zoning in and out, sorry about that. If you're in the UK, I will make a journal to your specification. And if you are international, I'll send you a box of goodies. So please get in touch with me, Carolyn. My email is in the description box below this video. If you shoot me an email, then we can have a chat. Thanks for everybody who entered, and do appreciate it, and watch out for the next one. All right then, tatty bye.